To set the place in at school routine to a new location in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap add school routine, tap place. To quickly find the place, type the place name in the search bar. Select the place. And then tap done button. By doing this, the selected location has been set as the default place in the at school routine, which means when you are in this place, your phone will automatically enable at school routine. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.